We're getting some sand and some supplies for our art, not orgonite. And this is my friend's property. It's on the Pacific Ocean and it's super epic, absolutely beautiful. I figured we'd show you guys where we're going for the day and what we're up to. And it's kind of like a private, exclusive beach. Nobody really has access to this, but a very select few humans. So we're going to show you guys what's up.
Way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top, that's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dare to, oh why can't I? Upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top, that's where you find me, oh star.
This is perfect. This granite has tons of quartz in it. Tons of quartz. That looks like rose quartz. There's rose quartz in here and regular quartz. You can see it. This is literally perfect. This is exactly what we need. We'll get this on the way back. Yeah, but this is what we're looking for. This is rose quartz. So now we're off for the iron, which is going to be on the beach.
Sign on the road, it say mango. So sweet, make your soul wanna tango. Come and get it while the skin is still glow. I'm that split, second the wisdom, the reckon, the ripe from the rotten. Honest, I'm the last day you're focused. I'm the summer outside your office. I'm the sonnet, the God is ready for solace. I'm no prophet, but I am a message. I'm no teacher, I is the lesson. Never had swag, I got essence. We used to be happy, now we antidepressant. It's a lie, see truth is mankind. With the seeing of the deaf and the hearing of the blind. Rewind to a time before the steam fly, before the tribe crucify blue sky. Why not? Why not? Cause I am so silly seedling. How will we ever grow into tomorrow?
Super heavy.
Wherever you go, I go.
Sand in here too.
Come let us tango to the vibe of a mango. Why not? Why not? Cause I am so silly seedling. How will we ever grow into tomorrow to the vibe of a mango? Sign on the road, it say lemon, yellow and bitter. Just a
Look at those tiny dogs, look at those tiny dogs. They're playing, they're finally playing.
Dilemma, cause we know better. We bring lemon straight to life lesser. No more surprises, I'm off the poison. Now I sail nice, no more Poseidon. You ain't platinum, I go iron. Hey,
Wow, look at
let
that.
me tell you what I'm about. You see the tree with the vine stretched out, beautiful symmetry and fruits all around. So much blossom, me be rotting on the ground. Never thought I'm the seed that don't sprout. Lay low till my life don't count. Pollinate when the sun goes down. To be great is to be left out. Why not? Cause I am so silly seedling. How will we ever grow?
I didn't get it, love. I gotta do it again. I'm serious. I really didn't get it. I was trying. I'm sorry, love. I really was trying.
Silly seedling. How will we ever grow? Into tomorrow. Wherever you go, I go. Come let us tango to the vibe of a tango. Why not? Cause I am so silly seedling. How will we ever grow? Into tomorrow. Wherever you go, I go. Come let us tango to the vibe of a mango. Why not? Why not? Cause I am so silly seedling. How will we ever grow?
You guys are awesome. Stay happy, stay bright, stay clean, and support the movement.